Hello everybody, I wanted to take a moment and show you a quick and easy way to help you identify and correct some of the minor mistakes that you might have in your writing. I'm on Schoology and I'm going to use last week's discussion board where I asked you to share a photo and write a description about it. I'm going to use that board as an example. I have my own writing here, which does have a few minor mistakes. And unfortunately, Schoology does not have a tool for running a spelling and grammar check. So the way that we can work around that is to simply copy your writing from Schoology, go up to the top of your screen and open a new tab, open a new window to your Carlos Rosario Google account. I can see here that I am logged into my school account, not my personal. And I'm going to go to the Google Apps menu and select Docs. From here, I can create a new blank document. And now that I'm inside that document, I'm going to paste the writing that I just copied from Schoology. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so everybody can see. And we can see here that there are some mistakes that are underlined in either red or blue. Typically the blue is something related to grammar. The red is going to be a spelling issue. Again, I'm going to select my writing, go up to Tools, and run a spelling and grammar check. Spelling and grammar check. And now the Google Doc, the spelling check will start giving me suggestions. The very first suggestion, the first word in my paragraph, I forgot to use a capital T. And so I can either choose to ignore this suggestion or I can accept it. When I click accept, it automatically is corrected for me. The next error is a spelling mistake. I'm going to accept the correct spelling of celebrate. That will automatically be corrected for me. Another minor spelling error with the word virtual. And it looks like there is a grammar mistake. This were should be this was. I'll go ahead and accept that. And you can go through suggestion by suggestion and accept it or ignore it. When you're finished, you'll get a little message that says your document looks good. At this point, you can go ahead and copy the corrected version. Go back to your Schoology window. And over here on the right-hand side of your post, you're going to see 3 dots. If you click on that, you'll have the option to edit. And to edit your document, we can delete the version of your writing that had the errors, and we can paste the corrected version that we just copied from Google. And when that's finished, you can click Save, and there you go. That's a quick and easy way that will help you hopefully find some of your small mistakes in your writing and correct them yourself. I hope that helps. Good luck.